Greetings everyone, Area 51 rider here. It is May 19th, 2024. I'm at the back gate of Area 51. This is the one that's south of Rachel. I'm going to lose my hat here. Hopefully this wind isn't cutting into my audio. Oh, look at this floor camera here. This isn't where it was before. Oh yeah, they got a big barrier around, I don't know if you can see that. It looks like a blast barrier. Or it was just to block the view, I don't know. Yeah. There's the famous horn up there. Hopefully I don't get blasted. So they've got a barrier there now, so you can't see what's behind where this floor used to be. I see there's another camera over there too. So that hasn't moved since I got here. All kinds of power there, I can hear it. That must be a backup generator. I'll have to get a pic of that now that that floor camera's closer. I can get a picture of that. Zoom right in on it and get the probably read the damn serial number off it if I wanted to. Excuse me, drooling here. But get the get the model number and everything. Yeah, Quiet Sunday, show badge for entry. Yeah, there's some speculation about that. Where do you show the badge? I don't see any kind of reader there. So that's an electric gate. No, I don't. I'm assuming you drive up. Oh, there's a thing there. Okay, right to the left of. Yeah, I'm gonna have to zoom in on that too. It says where it says show badge for entry, right to the left on the pole there, there's a silver rectangular thing. So it's probably a camera. Let's do a little walk off to the side here. Ooh, that wind's starting to whip. Holy cow. I didn't bring my earplugs if they decide to turn that horn on. So yeah, they kind of beat things up here. Sort of, kind of. So yeah, there's razor wire here. And then they got these blast barriers is what I've been told they are. This like big bags full of rocks and gravel and stuff. So yeah, you can see the very effective razor wire along this fence goes right down there and ends. That's where those signs are. So I guess that'll keep the casual tourists out, but if you really wanted to get in, then you just hop that. Well, that camera up there is turned. Oh yeah, there's 3 more cameras over there. These bastards will turn that horn on just as I get close to it. PTZ camera, pan tilt zoom. That's that one right there, and then there's that floor camera which hasn't moved since I got here. But yeah, see that? Oh, it just moved. The PTZ one moved. I don't know, whoever's controlling it just swept right by me. I'm going to plug my ear here just in case those butt heads turn it on, because that thing is freaking loud. So yeah, Explore Thus has, EWU BODYCAMs has a video of a guy that just drove right in there between this unused gate and the actual electric gate, and then just sat there. That's some crazy story about meeting his dad or something. I don't know, it's weird. But yeah, that is inside the restricted area. Alright, so other than this blast barrier over here now, which I think is more a visual barrier. The other thing is, I noticed they had a bunch of Russian radar units back on some hills behind the guard post here, but they're gone now. So I got some pictures of that with my big camera. So other than that, that's about it for today. Nothing super exciting. I'll walk down the fence line here a bit. Yeah, you should watch my previous video at the Blackwell, where the black mailbox used to be. It's not there anymore, it's gone. So I'm done. Well, I could put one up there and not say anything, but maybe that's what I'll do. If I put one back up there, I'm not going to mention it. Yeah, we can see back over there. There's a hill where there used to be a Russian radar unit. Okay, well that's it for now, and I am out. Stay tuned for more.